Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve some best MCQ problems aiming for CBSE Board Exam Class 12 2025. This is part 3. The links of the previous videos will be in the description box. So let's start. Question number 1. Area of the region bounded by the curve x square equal to 4y, y equal to a and y equal to b, and the y axis in the first quadrant is. So x square equal to 4y. So this is a parabola, and the axis of this parabola is y axis and the positive y axis. Okay, so this is the parabola in the positive y axis, and y equal to a, that means this is y equal to a straight line, and suppose this is y equal to b straight line. Now this is the curve x square equal to 4y, y equal to a and y equal to b, and the x axis in the first quadrant. So it is the first quadrant that we have to take. So this area we have to find. So this is the curve x square equal to 4a 4y. Okay, so the area will be a equal to integration a to b x dy. Okay, so what is x equal to root over 2y, sorry 4y, that means 2 root y, that is a equal to integration a to b 2 root y dy. So what is the option? Option number B is correct. A to B integration 2 root y dy. It is correct. Next problem. Question number 2. The projection of the vector I cap plus j cap on the vector I plus j. So you know that if two vectors are this a vector and b vector, then the projection of a vector on b vector projection of a. So the projection of a is denoted by this a cos theta. Okay, where theta is the angle between a vector and b vector. Okay, and we can also write it as, we know that a dot b, this is equal to mod a vector mod b vector into cos theta. So that means, what is a cos theta? That means a dot b divided by mod of b vector. This is equal to mod a vector cos theta. Okay, so this is mod. Okay, so this is the projection. So we have to first dot product them. So I cap minus j cap in dot I cap plus j cap, this divided by b vector, I mean the projection on that vector, that is the b vector, that means this is the b vector. So mod of this vector is root 2. I hope you understand the mod, how I get the mod. So this means this is 1 and this is minus 1 divided by root 2, ultimately that is 0. So the projection of the vector this on this vector is 0. So B option is correct. Next problem. Problem number 3. Integration sine to the power 6x divided by cos to the power 8x dx is equal to. So let us integrate. So this is sine to the power 6x divided by cos to the power 8x dx. So this is sine to the power 6x divided by cos to the power 6x into 1 by cos square x dx. So this is tan to the power 6x and this is sec square x dx. So you know that ddx of tan x is equal to sec square x. So that means this will give integration tan x 10 to the power 6x d, and sec square x dx will give us d tan x. That means this will give 10 to the power 7x divided by 7 plus c. Okay, so that means option B again it is correct. Next problem. Problem number 4. There are 5 black and 3 red balls in a bag. One ball is drawn at random. The probability that the ball is black. So how many balls are in the bag? 5 black balls and 3 red balls. So total balls is 8, and from them 5 are black. So one ball is drawn at random and the probability that the ball is black is 5 by 8. Total black balls are 5 and total balls are 5 plus 3 8. So this is 5 by 8, that means option B is again correct. Next problem. Problem number 5. Y equal to root over 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x, then what is dy dx? So let us first manipulate this term. This is root over 1 minus cos x and this is 1 plus cos x. Recall that 1 minus cos 2 theta, this is equal to 2 sin square theta, and 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. Okay, so that means this is here it is x, so that means root over 2 sin square x by 2 divided by 2 cos square x by 2. 2 got cancelled, so this is root over sin square x by 2 and cos square x by 2, that means this is equal to tan x by 2. Okay, so we have got y equal to tan x by 2. Now let us take dy dx. So y equal to tan x by 2. So taking derivative both sides, dy dx equal to d dx of tan x by 2. So derivative of tan x is sec square x, so sec square x by 2, and the derivative of x by 2 is half, so that means half sec square x by 2. Okay, so the dy dx is equal to half sec square x by 2. Okay, that means again option number, okay, C is correct, half sec square x by 2, option number C. Next problem. Question number 6. A vector in the direction of a vector A I cap minus j cap plus k cap, which has magnitude 8 units. Okay, so we have to find a vector in the direction of this vector. So I cap minus j cap plus k cap. So we will find the unit vector along this vector and then multiply it with 8 unit. So the unit vector a cap in the direction of a vector is this a vector divided by mod of a vector. Okay, so what is a vector? I cap minus j cap plus k cap, and this modulus is root over 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, that is 1 by root 3 I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Okay, and a vector in the direction of this a vector which has 8 unit magnitude, so 8 a cap will be that vector, so that vector is b vector which is in the direction of a vector and 8 magnitude is 8 a cap, that means 8 by root 3 I cap minus j cap plus k cap. Okay, this, so B option is again correct. 8 by root 3 I cap, 8 by root 3 j cap, 8 by root 3 k cap, and this is minus j cap. So B option is correct. Next problem. Question number 7. Integration 1 to e log x dx. So you know that this integration is done by using by parts. So let us do log x dx. So this is 1 into log x. That means log x into 1 dx minus ddx of log x integration 1 into dx whole integration dx. So this is x log x minus integration 1 by x into 1 integration 1 dx is x and dx. This is x log x minus integration dx, that means x log x minus x. So after integrating log x we are getting x log x minus x. So this is 1 to e log x dx. This is equal to, we are getting x log x minus x. The limit is from 1 to e. So e log e to the base e minus e minus 1 into log 1 to the base e minus 1. Okay, so this is equal to e log this is 1, e into 1 minus e minus this is 0 and plus 1. So that is equal to e got cancelled out and this is 1. So answer is 1. Option number A is correct. Okay, next problem. Question number 8. If the area of a triangle with vertices minus 3 0 3 comma 0 and 0 comma k is 9 square unit, then the value of k is. You know that when a triangle has vertices x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2 and x3 comma y3, then the area is half of mod x1 minus 3 comma 0 1 3 comma 0 comma 1 0 k comma 1. This is equal to 9 given. So that is equal to, this is mod value, remember. So expanding this, minus 3 into 0 minus k plus 0, we will not write it, plus 1 into 3k minus 0, and this is equal to 18, and this is mod, remember. So this is my plus 3k and this is plus 3k again. This is equal to 18. So mod 6k equal to 18. That means k equal to plus minus 3. Remember this is mod, so we have to take plus value and minus value. So this is k equal to plus minus 3. So option number C is correct. Next problem. Question number 9. If two events A and B are mutually exclusive, then P A condition B is equals to what? So you know that A and B are mutually exclusive. This means that A intersection B is phi. So that means P of A intersection B is 0. So P of A condition B, this will be P of A intersection B divided by P of B. Whatever P of B is, this is 0 by P of B. This is equal to 0. As per P of B not equal to 0, because B is an event, so it must have a non-zero value. We have assumed that. So for this is the 0 is the answer. So option number A is correct. Next problem. Problem number 10. The direction cosines of a line is k, k, k. Then k is what? We know that if the direction cosine is cos alpha, cos beta, and cos gamma for a line, then we have a result. That cos square alpha plus cos square gamma and cos square beta, this is equal to 1. That means for this case, this is k and k. That means k square plus k square plus k square is equal to 1. That implies 3k square equal to 1, and that is k square equal to 1 by 3. That implies k equal to plus minus 1 by root over 3. That means D option is correct. K is equal to plus minus root over 1 by 3 or 1 by root 3, whatever. Next problem. Question number 11. If a line y equal to k cuts an area of 64 root 2 square units from the parabola x square equal to 72y, then the value of k is. So the parabola is like this. Okay. So this is the y equal to k line, and we have to find out this area and this area. As the parabola is symmetric, we will find this area and multiply it by 2. So x square equal to 72y. So that means x equal to root 72 into y. That means 6 root 2y. This is, so that means integration 2 into 0 to k. This is x dy. That means 2 into 0 to k. This is 6 root 2 y dy. So this is equal to 12 root 2 0 to k root y dy. Okay. Next, 12 root 2 and integration of root y dy. This is root y dy integration. So this is equal to 12 root 2. This is 0 to k. So this is 2 by 3 y to the power 3 by 2. This is 0 to k. Okay. Now this is 12 root 2 2 by 3 y to the power 3 by 2. That means k to the power 3 by 2. This minus 0, we are not taking this, and this is equal to 64 root 2. So root 2 cancelled. That implies that, so this is 3 4 is 12 and 4 2 is 8, 8 8 is 64. So that is k to the power 3 by 2 equal to 8. That is k cube equal to 8 square, that means 64, and k equal to cube root of 64, that means 4. That is k equal to 4. This is the answer. So in which option 4 is there? So option number A is correct. Next problem. Question number 12. The direction ratios of the line this. So let us take 2 points on this line. So let us take 2 points for this. X plus 2 by 2, this is equal to 2y minus 5 by minus 3. So let us take 0 0 point. So let us take x equal to 0. So then x equal to 0, this is 2y minus 5 equal to minus 3. So that means 2y equal to 2 and y equal to 1. So that means x equal to 0, y equal to 1, and here z is equal to 2. So z equal to 2. This is always, z will remain 2. So this is a point 0 1 comma 2, and now take y equal to 0. So this is 5 by 3 and x plus 2 by 2 equal to 5 by 3. Taking y equal to 0, that means 3x plus 6 equal to 10. So 3x equal to what? This is 4 and x equal to 4 by 3. So another point is 4 by 3 comma 0 comma 2. Z is always 2. So now the direction cosine. We have got 2 points, and from this we are finding the direction cosines or the direction ratio, both are same because they are proportional. Okay, so that means 4 by 3. Okay, 4 by 3 minus 0 and 1 minus 0 comma 2 minus 2. So this is the direction ratios or direction cosines, whatever, both are proportional. So this is 4 by 3 comma 1 comma 0. That means this is 4 comma 3 comma 0. Okay, sorry, this is minus 1 comma 0, 0 minus 1, that is minus 3. Okay, okay, sorry. So that means the direction ratios are 4 minus 3 comma 0. That means D option is correct, 4 minus 3 comma 0. Okay, next problem. Question number 13. Which of the following is not a homogeneous function of x and y? So the function is x square plus 2xy, 2x minus y, cos square y by x plus y by x, and sin x minus cos y. So from this, option number D is not a homogeneous function in y or x. This is x square, and here also 1 1, this is also homogeneous. This is 1, this is 1, also homogeneous. This is y by x and this is y by x, this is also homogeneous, but this is not a homogeneous function. So that means D option is correct, it is not a homogeneous function. Next problem. Question number 14. The derivative of sine 2x plus 3. So d dx of sine 2x plus 3. Okay, so derivative of sine is cos, so cos 2x plus 3, and again the derivative of 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3, that means this is cos 2x plus 3 into 2, so that means 2 cos 2x plus 3. This is the answer. So this is in the option number A, so option number A is correct. Next problem. Question number 15. A right circular cylinder which is open at the top and has a given surface area will have the greatest volume if its height h and radius r are related by which option? So this is a right circular cylinder, right circular cylinder. Okay, okay, this is a right circular cylinder and this is the radius r and this is the height h. So now it has a given surface area. So it has a given surface area and the top is open. So the surface area is this 2 pi rh plus pi r square, because this is 1 pi r square. So pi r square. So this is given or this is fixed. So now it has the greatest volume. So its volume is V equal to pi r square h. Okay. So this is fixed. This is fixed. Now dv by dh or dr, whichever you take, dr, this is equal to 2 pi r h into dh by dr. Okay, so now when this is fixed, now we are taking the derivative of this with respect to r, that means 2 pi h plus taking this derivative. Okay, now I'm writing this ddr of, okay, ddr of 2 pi rh plus pi r square, and this is equal to constant. That means the derivative of this fixed value or constant, fixed means constant, so this is equal to 0. So this is u and v rule. So this is 2 pi h plus and 2 pi r dh by dr plus 2 pi r. Okay, So this is equal to 0. That means dH by dr. This is equal to what? 2 pi h minus plus 2 pi r divided by 2 pi r. This. So that means this is equal to dv by dr. This is equal to 2 pi rh into 2 pi r divided by, and this is 2 pi h plus 2 pi r, and this is minus. So 2 pi r cancelled. That means what we are getting, dv by dr, this is equal to, what are we getting, 2 pi h plus 2 pi r into h minus of 2 pi r plus 2 pi h into h, 2 pi r plus 2 pi h into h. Okay, so now this is equating this equal to 0. So dv dt dv dr, this is equal to 0 to get the critical points. Okay, to get the critical points. So this is equal to 0. That means 2 pi r plus 2 pi h into h equal to 0, and as 8 not equal to 0, and as h not equal to 0, so that means 2 pi r, this is minus, plus 2 pi h equal to 0. So now this is 2 pi r, this is 2 pi r equal to minus 2 pi h. So that means r equal to minus h. This is actually numerically equal. Okay, this is the main idea. So we are finding the critical points or the condition that will be maximum, because when we find the critical points, then we equate the first order derivative equal to 0, and then the points where we find the d square, the second order derivative d square v dr square, and then it will be maximum or minimum. Okay, so we find that dv dr equal to 0. That means this is the critical points, or this is the condition that r equal to h. This is the condition so that dv dr equal to 0, and this will be the maximum. Okay, so the condition is that h equal to r. Option D is correct. So h equal to r, the radius and the height should be same for the greatest volume or maximum volume. Next problem, 16. If a die is thrown and a card is selected at random from the deck of 52 playing cards, then the probability of getting an even number on the die and a spade card equals. So let us denote the D event as throwing the dice. Okay, and getting an even number, and the P by getting a spade card. So there are 13 spade card in a 52 playing cards. So these two events are mutually independent or independent. That means there is no relation between where what are we getting in the die, and what we are getting the card in the well shuffled 52 playing cards. So that means this D intersection P, probability of D intersection P, that is the probability of getting an even number as well as a spade card. This is equal to P of D multiplied by P of P. Okay, so this is P, don't take it seriously. Okay, now this is P of D. So what is the probability of getting even number? So there is three even numbers, and total number is 6, so that is 3 by 6 into 13 by 4, 52. So this is 1 by 2 into 1 by 4, that means 1 by 8. So that means P of D intersection P is 1 by 8. So C option is correct. Next problem. Question number 17. Value of x if these two determinants are equal. Okay. So this is the determinant 2 minus 20 and this is equal to 2x square minus 24. So this is minus 18 and this is 2x square minus 24. So this is 2x square equal to 24 minus 18, that is 6. So x square equal to 2x square equal to 3 and x square equal to 6 and x square equal to 3, that means x equal to plus minus root over 3. That means A option is correct. Next problem. Question number 18. The interval in which this is increasing is, okay, so now this is y equal to x square e to the power minus x. So now we will find dy dx or y dash, whatever you say. This is 2x e to the power minus x plus x square into minus e to the power minus x. This is the derivative using the UV rule. So this is 2x e to the power minus x minus x square e to the power minus x. And we know that if f dash x is greater than 0, then fx is increasing. Okay. So that means 2x this minus x square x to the power minus x, this is greater than 0. This is greater than 0, that means 2x e to the power minus x minus this is greater than x square e to the power minus x. Okay, this is e to the power minus x and e to the power minus x in the both side, because e to the power minus x is always greater than 0 whenever whichever is x is, because e to the power minus x is this is equal to 1 by e to the power x and e to the power x is always positive, this is also always positive. So that means 2x is greater than x square, that means x square is greater than 2x. So let us take this, x square is less than 2x, that means x square minus 2x is less than 0, that means x into minus 2, this is less than 0. So that means x should be less than 0 and x minus 2 should be greater than 0, or x greater than 0 and x minus 2 should be less than 0. So here x is greater than 2 and x is less than 0. This is not possible because this is 0 and 2. So x is greater than 2 and less than 0. So no intersection region. And this is greater than 0 and less than 2. So this is possible because this is 0 and 2. So less than 0 and greater than 2. That means this region is possible. So option D is correct, 0 to 2. This function is increasing in the interval 0 to 2. Okay, next problem. Question number 19 and 20, assertion reason based question. So what is saying? Question number 19, assertion A, let A equal to 246 and B equal to 3579 and define a function f 2 3 5 4 5 and 6 7 from A to B, then f is not on 2. So check the true or falsity. So from A to B the function is not on 2, it is saying. So the range of f, okay, range of f is what? 357. Okay, so here 357 is there but 9 is not in the range, so that means this is not on 2. So this assertion is correct. So the reason R is saying a function f a from A to B is said to be onto if every element of B is image of some element of A under F. So this is saying A and B, every element of B has some element as image in A. Okay, so some element, this can be happen that any two, more than two or three element has a image, same image. So that is not bothered to us. As far as every element of B has a image in A, at least one, then this is on to. So R is also correct, and the reason is the best explanation of the assertion A. That means both A and R is correct, is true, and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. So A option is correct. Next problem, question number 20. Assertion: consider the linear programming problem. Maximize z equal to 4x plus y subject to the constraints this. Then the maximum value of z is 50. Okay, if reason, if the shaded region is not bounded, the maximum value cannot be determined. Okay, let us check. This is x plus y is less than 50. The constraints are x plus y greater than 100 and xy greater than 0. X plus y greater than 100. Okay, this is, and xy greater than 0. So here it is saying x plus y is less than 50, and it is saying is the x plus y is greater than 100. So let us plot first. Okay, this is x plus y equal to 50. That means this is 25 and this is 25. Okay, 0 comma 50, 50 comma 0, like this. Okay, and x plus y greater than 100. This is also here. Okay, let us, okay, let us remove this. Okay, this is x plus y equal less than 100. So this is greater than 100, this, and this is less than 100, this. There is no intersection point, so we cannot find z max. So that means this A is false, because this has no shaded region or feasible region. Okay, so A is false and R is true. Okay, because if the shaded region is not bounded, then maximum value cannot be determined. This is true. That means D is correct. So that's it for today. I hope you have understood all these MCQ problems, and I will bring another video very soon. So thanks for watching. Till then, take care. Bye bye.